In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to configure a 4 to 20 milliamp input on a 2404 controller. You will need to attach the 2.49 ohm resistor across V plus and V minus sensor input, which is supplied with the controller, as you can see here on top of the instrument. Remove that and ensure you replace the resistor across V plus and V minus. Using the page key, advance to access. Press the scroll key and enter code 1. Observe pass, press the scroll key and select conf using the down arrow key. Press the scroll key and enter number 2 for conf 2 and observe pass. Press the page key until IP conf is observed. Press the scroll key and observe INPT. Use the arrow keys and select MA. Press the scroll key a couple of times for INP.L. Using the up arrow key, select number 4, 4.0. Press the scroll key and select 20.0 for INP.H. Press the scroll key and here you have UAL.L. This is the low range which represents the 4 milliamp input. In this case we've set it for 0. Press the scroll key for UAL.H and this is your high range. In this case we have set this for 100, which represents 20 milliamp input. So now we have set up the input. Press the two left hand buttons together, the page and the scroll key for exit, and press one of the arrow keys to select yes. The instrument will now reboot. You have now set up your instrument for a 4 to 20 milliamp input.